In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer lagging or slowdown. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix File Explorer lagging or slowdown, sometimes a restart may fix the problem. Just restart your computer and it will fix File Explorer lagging or slowdown. The second fix is open the File Explorer. Click on the three dot icon to show more. Now click on options. Here under privacy, the third option is show files from office.com. Uncheck this option. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Hope this troubleshoot will solve your issue. If File Explorer is still slow down or lagging, go for third fix. In search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. In command prompt, type sfc space / scan now. Now hit enter, and after completing the scan, you need to restart your computer. I'm not scanning my computer. Just close command prompt and click on start menu and then click on power and then restart your computer. Hope this fix will solve File Explorer lagging or slowdown problem in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.